Hi, Clayton with Your Tech here. I'm at another family residence, and as always, I can't show you the entire home, but I can show you parts of it. So I'd like to start. This house is actually covered with solar panels on the roof. You can't quite tell because it's so high up there and you can't really see them, but solar energy is really popular. Now, other features of the home are our cameras. Now, we use different cameras. Most cameras you would see would have, the circle eyes and stuff, and ours has almost appears to be two lenses. But one is a special light that projects a square light. So it's really, really good. Now, in addition to solar, we also have a generator, and here's the solar system. And the way the builder and the plans of this home and everyone working together, it came out amazing. They actually stuck the generator on top of the pool equipment and did everything really, really easy to access. This is one of the best service homes that we've ever had. Very well planned, of course. And the back of it, the designer of the home, rather the investor that builds the homes, really, in Florida, there's slick tiles all around the pool and stuff, and children running and stuff. So they chose a tile that doesn't slide. It's very, very nice. And the pool was designed by actually a commercial pool builder, and it's rather unique. You don't see this in Florida all that often. So just the way the steps go, it's steps everywhere. It's, access to the pool, the hot tub, the screens are right up there. This, of course, has a boat dock. So it's pretty amazing home.